Kublai pi baru kini gilonggi kubor bamta kasni. Umentri barim bat MLA ke Meghalaya Uzenit M Sangma ulalit Bandung Biang syake Indian National Congress ha ke jingyalang kablalong menta ke janmin ha Congress Bhavan Shillong. Ha gani ke jingyalang ladon lang ke Working President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ke Dibora Si Marag lembat kiwe kihe nong yalam bat member Jong ke party. Ha ke jingpran jeng Uzenit Ula ong bagi National Party kum ka Congress kidang don hadu menta ya kishnat trekam ka bajur ha kishnung githau ba ka jingdon lang haman ka benta jongkri ka ba ula kentho kumba ka ba kongsan e na ka benta ka jing ai jingmentoi ne jing trei pat ba ha karukom ka ba shisha ula pen pawru ba ka jingdon jinginong yalam ha po nong kendong bat ka jingshong dor hamadan ka de ka daw ka ba pen kala jingmut ya u ban Wanphai syaka Seng Congress ka Dibora Marag ha ba pediang sobha yu zenit kalau ong bagani ke jingwan pai jong u kan pen klan shu ka Congress ha ka Garu Hills bat ru halor ka perthai san perthai jong ka jilla ha kirin san ya Khun election ka bansawan Uzenit M Sangma uday ubala julong mensha kum menteri sarkar Meghalaya bat ulabat ru bun ki kular trekam hapo ka Congress Nrai ulami no shipang mensha ban net rung syaka TMC hadin ke election arhajar arpuar Bat ulaya khunru ha ke election MP arhajar arpulai. Ka jingwan pai jing umenta ka lapen pau kum ka jing kerku ka bakraw na ka benta ka jingte kli thammai jang ka party Congress ha Meghalaya.
My role, what will be my role? I don't want to speak at this juncture because I have just rejoined. And as I have said, I am a true soldier of the party and whatever the leadership assigned to me will be carried out heart and soul. So I don't know what kind of assignment will be given to me, and at this juncture I am not authorized to speak all the plans and programs of the party, about the strategies that will be taken up by the party. So as and when time comes, you will get to know what are the strategies that we are taking on.